Today is the 31st of December 2011.
I'm looking for the bear. I know it's hiding, but I don't know where.
Ethan, say hi. Ashton, say hi. Ashton, say hi.
No.
Huh?
I'm looking over here.
What's that?
Yeah, this is Tom.
That's not your thumb. That's your pointer. Show mommy your thumb. Poor thumb. Show mommy your thumb. Oh no, you got a big cut there. You and Titi both wearing the same shirt.
Yeah.
So cute. Well, yeah, like couch potatoes eh.